Yes, students. So we were talking about the AIDS, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. This is a viral disease because it is caused by virus, and the name of virus is HIV virus or human immunodeficiency virus. Clear? What happens? HIV attacks the white blood corpuscles of blood. As you know, WBCs are and reduces the immunity power of the person, because WBCs are responsible for immune system, for your immunity. So obviously when HIV attacks on the WBCs or white blood corpuscles, your immunity power will be decreases. Clear? So AIDS spreads through. How AIDS spreads? These are some points: through the sexual contact with an infected person, transfusion of blood infected with HIV, use of HIV infected needle for injections, HIV infected mother to the fetus. Right? Suppose किसी मदर को HIV infection है और वो प्रेग्नेंट है, तो प्रेग्नेंट लेडी से उसके फीटस में या उसके चाइल्ड में भी HIV के चांसेस बहुत ज्यादा रहते हैं. Got it? So all these about the how AIDS spreads. See the prevention of spreads. What are prevention of AIDS? So what are the preventions that people should be educated about AIDS. Only disposable needles and syringes should be used. Remember it, student. Routine screening should be done of blood donors and organ donors, obviously, right? And blood must be screened for HIV. Clear, student? And you have seen that some people are there who donating their blood, who donating their organs. So this is very necessary that their routine screening should be done. That person should not be the HIV positive or should not be the infected with the HIV. Clear? So all these blood must be screened for HIV. Obviously, your blood should be screened. What's the meaning of screened? Blood checkup, right? Your checkup, routine screening means routine checkup should be there. Is it clear? So let's see immunization. Let's see. It is the process of developing immunity organizations against a particular pathogen. Student, I told you in your last class that pathogen means disease causing microorganisms. Clear? Microorganism which can cause the disease. So immunization is that it is the process of developing immunity organizations against a particular pathogen. So this is immunization. What is the basis principle? How immunization takes place? Through the vaccination. Clear? So what are the basis of principle of immunization? This is if a pathogen enters the, what are the principles here that how immunization takes place? If a pathogen enters the body, the immune system will recognize it and respond against it. It also remembers each foreign substances and pathogen that enters the body specifically. Right, for each type of pathogen, the immune system produces cells that are specific for that particular pathogen. These cells attack the pathogen entering the body. Next time, if the same pathogen or its close relative enters the body, immune system recognizes it and responds with greater vigor. Clear? So this is about immunization. Now vaccination is a term given by Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner was a scientist, a biologist. So vaccine is a biological preparation of dead or weak microbes that improves immunity to a particular disease. So right, what present in your vaccine? There are dead or weak microbes are present there which inject in your body. That's why after the vaccination you have seen that uh, some people had got fever or restlessness, right? So this is because of the presence of a weak microbes or dead microbes. Is it clear? So hepatitis A is a vaccine are available in market. In market, the first vaccine used against cholera was developed in the late 1800s, but in 1990, first oral vaccines against cholera introduced. Clear? Decoral is the trade name of cholera vaccine used nowadays. You should know the name. That was the name. What is the trade name of the cholera vaccine? That is Decoral. Clear? See, this is about the hepatitis B vaccine. This is hepatitis B vaccination. You have seen, you have heard about the vaccination also. Newly born baby got a vaccination frequently, right? So thank you student. Please do NCERT questions, question answers and notes also. Notes on the basis of this video. Clear? Thank you.